Evening guys, here I'm trying to pick a master lock V-line. See, it opens. Fitting out looks like that. There's a wonderful little code written on it, which is 2341, which apparently is pretty much the same code for any master lock V-line you care to see. Let's give this a go. I have variable results at trying to pick this open, so let's give it a go. It's also me learning how to use bottom of the keyway, so I've got to be very careful how I do this because I can so easily bind that first pin. I'm also using a bigger pick than I'm used to using, just one of these. Let's give it a go. There we go. Pretty much that's taken about 25 attempts to do that this evening. It's not going well. Okay, thanks guys, see you next time, bye bye.